Hey, Sneekylinux back for an unauthorised video for this evening. Tonight I was just going to reinstall my operating system tonight on my main machine, which is the 5960. And I've been running 1404 for a long time, and it's getting near end of life, and I thought, well, we'll go up to the next LTS, which is 1604. Well, doesn't want to install, okay? It doesn't want to even show me anything. And I thought, oh, what's going down here? Have I got a bit of a hardware problem? Software problem? Got too much plugged in? Well, I don't really think so. The machine's not old enough for that, really. So I went on thinking, I've got some RAM gone, and it kept giving me CPU errors trying to load Xubuntu 1604 LTS 02 and 03. I thought, oh, that's not really good, is it? I haven't got any spare cash at the moment. I'll need to, do some stuff about that. So I tried a few other distributions. Anyway, I'll go in the browser for you. So I tried Xubuntu 1604 LTS, as we see here on the screen. It was saying, no mate, it's not going to happen. There's some CPU errors and some Nouveau errors. Okay, I thought, okay. Nouveau means graphics cards, of course. And I've got a GTX 970 or 980, one or the other anyway, in here. And I've tested it before, and it ran perfectly before when I tried before. So I went to Lubuntu. Thought, that's got to work. Now we've got the first initial screen up on your language, and then it gave me the same information. I thought, this don't look really good. Now I've used Ubuntu for donkey's years, as it just suits me, and it's a good workhorse machine. Okay, it does everything I need it to do, and everything anybody else in the house needs it to do. But I can't install it. Ooh, I hear you cry. Ooh, that's not very good. So I thought, should I update the BIOS on the motherboard? I thought, well, I don't really need to, really, do I? So I thought, maybe I'll have to change from Xubuntu to something else. Similar. Not too much of a change, just similar. But I might even change my mind tomorrow morning when I get up and say what I'm going to install for my main desktop for next year or 18 months. Who knows? I might even just go for a Gentoo-based one, to be really honest with you. But hey, who knows? So anyway, I went to LXLE, and I downloaded it anyway. I've done a video on it for years and years and years. Guess what? Bearing in mind it's based on Ubuntu, boots fine into a desktop. I can install it, no problem. So what do you think that is? I'm asking you questions here, guys. So I thought, oh, I don't mind LXE, but it's got too much little stuff that I don't really need. So I thought, go to Linux Lite. I've done the beta quite a while ago. Put the USB key in the PC, booted it up, boots up fine, does everything it's supposed to do. So it seems I may be changing my main operating system after 9 years. I've been using Xubuntu for 9 years, no problem. Unfortunately, Xubuntu guys, if I can't get it to boot, I can't use you, and I can't do what I need to do. So I think you better sort your rubbish out, really. What's going on? I've been one of your best, not consumers, should we say users, for long time. Yeah. So best you sort it out. Otherwise, in the next 24 hours, I'll be moving away from Xubuntu until one of these two. I'll probably go with, I'll be honest with you, Linux Lite until 1804 comes out, and we'll see if you played the game. It's not as though it's old hardware. This is brand new hardware. 8 cores, 16 threads. I've got 64 gig of RAM if I want to. I've only got 32 installed at the moment. And it's not a hardware problem. Not really. I mean, the last time I had to install it, it was in the 15 era, wasn't it? Yeah, 15, something like that. And the 970 or 980 wasn't supported in Linux. So what I had to do to actually get to install was put a GTX 750 tie-in to actually get it to install. Once it was installed and updated, take the graphics card out and then put the 970/80, whatever it is, in, and everything went hunky-dory. And after a couple of updates, it recognised the card properly anyway and gave it the newer drivers. So, what do you do? I don't know. What do you do? Let's see if I get any feedback. If not, you'll be seeing my desktop a little bit different from what it is now. Sneekylinux out. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.